They called it Pandoravirus yodoma, a microorganism older than the human species itself, revived from frozen Siberian soil. For 4,500 years, it slept beneath the permafrost, until global warming set it free. This is the Arctic pathogen, frozen enemy. In 2024, a Russian-French research team drilled deep into the permafrost near Yakutsk. At 50 feet down, they extracted a sample sealed in ice before the first cities even existed. Under the microscope, the cells began to twitch. Against all odds, it was alive. The scientists had revived a prehistoric virus, and it could still infect living cells. They nicknamed it Pandoravirus for what it represented, a box humanity might regret opening. As glaciers and permafrost melt, they reveal more than fossils. In 2016, reindeer carcasses thawed in the Yamal Peninsula, releasing anthrax spores that had been frozen since World War II. Dozens were hospitalized. A child died. That outbreak wasn't an isolated case, it was a preview. Climate scientists estimate millions of tons of ancient organic matter are thawing each year. Inside it are pathogens that have never faced the immune systems of modern humans or animals. Viruses from mammoths, extinct plants, Ice Age humans, each locked away in deep freeze. Until now. In controlled lab conditions, the ancient virus could only infect amoebas. But evolution doesn't stop at the lab door. What happens when something dormant adapts to warmer conditions? When it meets modern hosts or even modern viruses? Scientists at the Pasteur Institute have warned that horizontal gene transfer could turn harmless frozen microbes into lethal hybrids. Imagine influenza with Ice Age resilience, or antibiotic-resistant bacteria with prehistoric DNA repair systems. Every summer that Arctic melt accelerates, that nightmare gets closer to reality. From Alaska to Greenland, villagers are reporting strange infections, unidentified skin lesions, neurological symptoms, no traceable cause. Samples sent to labs reveal genetic sequences that don't match any known species. A frozen enemy doesn't need to travel by air. It just needs to melt into the water supply. Meanwhile, some scientists are intentionally reviving these microbes to study their behavior before nature releases them first. Their logic? Better to meet the enemy in the lab than in the wild. But others fear that curiosity might become our undoing. Because once something escapes, we can't put it back in the ice. We used to think the past was dead, frozen, buried, gone. But now the past is thawing and it's alive. The Arctic isn't just melting, it's bleeding secrets. This is the Arctic pathogen, frozen enemy. Subscribe now to uncover more hidden stories nature never meant for us to find. Because the next outbreak might not come from the tropics, it might come from the cold.